বিধায়ক পদ থেকে পদত্যাগ করেন মেবার কুমার জমাতিয়া। এই দিন বিধানসভায় গিয়ে অধ্যক্ষ রতন চক্রবর্তীর হাতে পদত্যাগ পত্র তুলে দেন তিনি। বিধায়ক পদ থেকে পদত্যাগ করার পর মেবার কুমার জমাতিয়া এই দিন আইপিএফটির দলের প্রতি একরাশ ক্ষোভ উগরে দেন।
একটু এদিকে
স্যার
First of all, সবাইকে নমস্কার। Today I have resigned as a membership of Tripura Legislative Assembly. As you all know, I am contemplating quite long for this resignation. Only I want to express my sadness is that I have a 4-year ministry, BJP IPP government. I have held very important posts, tribal welfare, forest, fisheries. I have experience for 4 years ministry. But as you all know, I came from the background of regional party, IPFT. IPFT and BJP have an alliance 2018. Before alliance, we have a lot of retained commitment given by the central government. I personally met several times. A lot of agreement was made between IPFT and BJP. Especially we have constituted high-level monitoring committee for development of indigenous people of Tripura, especially to look after socio-economic and political affair of the indigenous community in Tripura. And it was said that within 90 days, within 3 months, the report will be published. But we have only twice meeting I have met with them. After that, this high-level committee is almost defunct. And also, as you know, we have passed the bill for TTIDC. As you all know, we have already submitted a copy of our bill to the central government. The TTC will be made
council
Tripura Tribal Council, and 50 seat of TTC will also be increased from 30 to 50. And there are a lot of departments should be given, 43 department, direct fund. All this important point is there, which we have submitted. And it was approved by our cabinet. But so far 4 years have already gone, now almost 5 years. Nothing has come out. And many times I insist, I try to explain them. And I met several times with Home Minister and Donor Minister, all the ministers in Delhi. And I pressurize this sort of demand, sort of this agreement, but it was not done. And see, our people have a high hope, both tribal and non-tribal, in Tripura. There are a lot of hope and aspiration that BJP, the government, will do something for the people of Tripura. As you all know, there are a lot of vacancy lying vacant. And especially, I have discussed with the Home Ministry earlier that around 16 to 20,000 backlog posts vacant for ST. That should be given through special drive. I appealed many times and I told to the Home Minister also, Amit Shahji. And he said, I'll see, I'll talk to the Minister, I'll talk to the Chief Minister. That way he explained me. But so far, see, our commitment to the people, even we cannot do anything. Zero performance, I can say. As a result, because I work for the people, I want to do something for the people, not only for tribal but for non-tribal. I want to develop the state. But all this is not happening. And as you know, BJP and IPFT have a commitment. We have maybe verbally, but we have given an announcement during election that 50,000 per year job will be given to the people of Tripura. But it is gone. So all these things I feel myself because I have committed to the people. I want to work with the people. And as you all know, the ruling government, ruling MLA, with me now only seven MLA have resigned. From BJP, 4 MLA, from IPFT, 3 MLA. That means 7 MLA have resigned. The ruling MLA, ruling government MLA, this is the first time in history of Tripura, which proved that the performance of government is not up to the mark. Because as you know, Tripura have large number of unemployment. People are become hopeless. Lot of engineers, doctors, who's graduate, they all have no hope. They have no future. So all these things I want to say because today I have submitted my resignation and hopefully in the days to come, which party I'll join, still I don't decide. We'll see in the next 2-3 days you can see my performance. But I believe the people is with me. Even I have a lot of friends. I met them and I asked them also what to do, not to do. Because people are not happy. Overall, people are not happy. People are not happy with this government, with the performance of the government. As a result, I think in days to come, we'll work together. And I really appreciate all the media friends. You be neutral. You work as the ethic of the media. Because media is a very powerful pillar who can mold the state, who can mold the government. And I believe, slowly, I appreciate the media of our state, Tripura state, also coming up. They are really doing well for the welfare of the people. Thank you.
Which party are you?
Eu já estudei com a Alex, mas aí até a muito grande nada aí.